you guys and welcome everybody. I am very happy to see you today. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko and I am here to tell you about the new features that we have on the platform. This is going to be a webinar and we'll keep it at a fun and exciting tempo so you guys can get a lot of information really quick. And on top of that, we're going to have prizes and giveaways today. So for all of you that came to Angie's webinar yesterday and left a comment below your video, you're going to have a lucky chance to win one of 7 prizes. So stick around to see who our lucky winners are going to be. Now, we are going to be discussing the platform. And if you guys want to learn more and you guys want to maybe follow up and do some more research, I have posted some links for you in chat. Now the first one is to our Super 7 video and we have the likes of it here. It tells you everything about our 7-year anniversary. That's right, you guys, Olymp Trade is now 7 years old. We've been through a lot together and we want to keep bringing you guys closer to your financial dreams. So what we have as another support mechanism for you is the blog right here at blog.olymptrade.com. It's the same website as the platform. And look at this, the first thing that you guys get greeted with are the promo codes for the month and for the week. So the Super 7 Quest, what is it? For those of you guys that are just tuning in, this is an event that started yesterday. Here we have the Super 7, and we're going to go through all of these events that we have going on. And the Super 7 Quest basically puts you guys in the Batcave. Pretend that you guys are the Batman of trading, and these 5 tools right here are the keys to your success. So we're going to go through each of them. The promo code fan, this is an artifact, and you guys, once you complete quests, you receive this artifact and it adds to your overall strength, your overall trading proficiency. So it's actually a really cool way to boost up your trading without necessarily getting new status levels. So the promo code fan is basically a collection of promo codes that you're going to get and you're going to be able to use. The tournament sword, this is the artifact that came yesterday, and unfortunately I missed it, but this is dedicated to competitions and having that competitive edge and getting you more prizes if you end up being in a placement spot in the top winning spots. Now the round of the clock artifact is something that allows you to trade over the weekends. If you guys are not aware, we have the OST system that allows you to trade, OTC, excuse me, system that allows you to trade on the weekends, that allows you to trade indices overnight, and it allows you basically to keep your foot in the water around the clock. All right, your next artifact that we have is the Decision Compass. This artifact is directed to giving you guys workable strategies, to giving you workable signals that allow you to take off without, hesitation. Allows new traders to find those good entries and make that initial earning in the market to feel comfortable in learning this new craft. And then finally we have the knowledge book. This is dedicated to broadening your knowledge, to increasing your know-how and your proficiency in the market. Very important artifact, definitely going to be going after it. Now how do you get these wonderful artifacts? Well, besides artifacts, you also earn stones. Now these stones are your chances to win big. We have really big prizes coming at the end of the webinar, or excuse me, at the end of the tournament. And actually, this is not a tournament. This is a main key thing that I wanted to stress to you guys. This is not a tournament. Everybody is participating, right? Everybody has a chance to become a superhero. And the main idea of this event is to have you guys complete these quests. Now this is to receive the artifact of the day. You can make a deposit, and right here we guys have a Super 7 promo code. Make sure to write this down if you've been planning on topping up or maybe starting trading off of your demo account and onto the live account. Make sure to write this promo code down and use it, as it'll have significant advantages and bonuses to you rather than you just depositing on the account without making or without using a promo code. So here we have leaders that are leading in this quest completion series, and we actually have a trader that all the time I see in chat, Rajesh Kumar. Or if you are in chat right now, go ahead and put a plus, my friend, because I know you've been watching these webinars for over a year now, and it's great to see that you have such success. So this is living proof that our students that really take the education side seriously and work with us, they have good success on the markets. So Rajesh Kumar, a round of applause for you, my friend. Let's see if there's any other names that I notice here from our webinars. And if you are in the top rankings, go ahead and write in chat. I'd love to hear from you and ask you what your trading strategy is. Hey Tinker, welcome. It's Wow. Good job. Good to see you. Manesh Mendel, hi. Youssef Samech, hello, hello. Ogbemu Uzezi, right on. Patti Mubarak first. Right on, you guys. Actually, I was first to give you the links in chat. So that's for the Super 7 quest. We have it going on. It started yesterday. You have till the end of the week. Right here it says 5 days until the drawing. That's when all of your stones are going to be combined together and all the different chances that you have of winning are going to be passed around to you. Now, my personal trading right now, I transitioned to a trade in the Aussie Japanese yen. And I'm actually going to do a little bit of shameless promotion of my own work with the platform. You guys can actually find this trade right here. If you go to help, in the help section, we have special materials. Excuse me, not special materials, insights. So it's right here, very important. Go to help and then insights, and you can read, well, this is the webinar that we have here. But this is the article that I wrote about the Australian dollar Japanese yen. And so these are all the trade parameters and all the things that I considered when placing the trade. And then also I placed the trade itself, right? I put in the stop loss and take profit. I outlined over here where the forecast will be, but I myself put the take profit much higher than the forecast. So you can actually earn quite a lot, and you see that the position right now with a $3,000 trade, it's up already now more than 100%. It's at 143% actually return on my investment. So really good trade there, and you can find more of those things to help you in insights. They will really help you, even if you're not participating in any event, which you should obviously not do, but you can find really good trade ideas in the insights. Definitely pay attention to them. There are going to be some monetizations that are going to be happening with the signals that we give. So let's talk about the weekly cup. This is for some of you traders that maybe want to become more competitive or want to take trading more seriously. And this is another layer of benefit which you can derive from trading with Olymp Trade. So every week we're going to be having a tournament. The prize pool is going to depend on which league you end up entering. But basically, it's another overhead, it's another layer. It goes on in the background. There's a few tasks that you can complete, and basically it's an opportunity for you to get more every week. If you are trading seriously and you are following the markets every day, then it's going to be a no-brainer for you to participate in a tournament. And so what we're going to do with you guys today is go ahead and select a league. I want to be in the top league because my account allows it, and there's also much less participants, right? I want less participants to compete against, and I also have the expert status, so my eligibility allows that for me. So I'm going to go ahead and join the third league. Now, I won't make a deposit. I have the account up to that amount that's comfortable for me. I was trading at around 30,000, bumped my account up to 44. When I get to 50, every excess all the excess profit that I'm going to take, I'm going to withdraw from the account and put on a separate long-term investment account where I'm going to be basically trading stock PT for the long term. I actually do have a position open now in AIG, not the best position. Not going to cover it though anytime soon, but definitely I could have entered, I could have been more patient with entering the trade there. So let's go on to talk about the tournament. So my ranking is going to be showing up right here. We have again Rajesh Kumar being on top of the pack. Good job, buddy. Dina is the overall leader, and then we have these extras, the community goals. So you want to be completing these tasks together with other people that are part of your league. That's the word that I was looking for. And also we have some tournament tasks. Now all of this XP, why is XP important, guys? This is something that I really want to cover today. XP allows your account to have more benefits. The more XP you have from different sources, from a tournament, from the contest that you participated in, from a blog post that gave you some extra XP just for reading it, this XP boosts up the status of your account. Now, why is status important? Status is very important because it gives you better return on investment. It allows you to open larger trades. It gives you quicker execution. It gives you access to more indicators. There's a lot of benefits. So again, the more serious you take trading, the higher your status should be, because the better your terms are in trading when using a higher status. So these quests is what we're going to focus on right now for the next few minutes in the webinar. We want to make 5 trades on any asset in any trading mode except for SPT. No problem. 5 trades for a minute. We'll do that. I'm going to start writing down all these criteria. 5x trades, make 50 trades on any asset in any trading mode. Okay, so that just jumped up to 50 from 5. We can do that right now. Make 90 trades on any asset in any trading mode. Okay, $90. That's going to cost me $90. Make 5 profitable trades of no less than $2 each. Out of that, we're going to subtract 5 trades, which are going to be at $2, 2 USD. Make 10 profitable trades of no less than 4. And the thing is, when I make these 10 profitable trades of $4, they're going to automatically close these 5 profitable trades of $2. Same thing here. When I open up 90 trades, let's go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to have a quick look at my currencies and go ahead and open up something. I'm going to really quick, if you want to find an asset that is moving, or a currency that's moving, I'm going to be trading the CAD against the Japanese yen. So CAD JPY, I'm going to be opening this up in the buy direction just because I want to go with the general trend, and I don't really care if the trade goes bad or good. I just need to open up 90 trades. So on the minute graph, I don't want to be opening this up. Maybe there's a different one. CAD dollar. Dollar CAD. All right, this is something I'm more comfortable opening up. Right, we're going up anyway. Maybe not from here. I did expect this fall, and this is another trade that I wrote. The dollar CAD at the start of the week, I wrote that, 1, 2, 3 spikes we had going up. It's the formation of a head and shoulders pattern. At least we can expect some sort of correction down to the middle line, and this is what happened. And you guys can find again this. I wonder if they save from the start of the week. Here it is. So this is my forecast for the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Right there, 128.54. So we were even up here. We were up somewhere here when I was writing the article. Right, it came right down to where I said it would. So this is the proof that it works. Right, I was going through the different quests that we had left. Let's go ahead and finish them. So 15 profitable trades times 8. 15 profitable trades times. See, it makes no sense to open up any of these trades because these are going to be the ones that cover the previous ones. So just open up 15 trades times 8 is what we're going to be focusing on right now. Make 5 profitable trades in currency pairs, indices. Ooh, so 25 profitable trades on indices and OTC. No problem. So guys, check it out. We are going to be trading indices right now. Opening up our assets, indices, and currencies. Indices, currency. So I'm sure you guys want to see the $15 trades. You don't want to see me open up $91 trades. So we're going to head and have a look at the indices. So I have what I need to see really quick at a glance on the graph here. We have the Bollinger Band indicator. I moved up the amount to 21 instead of 20. Let's see how much time we have left. Great, we are doing great on time. Bollinger Band, 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and 200 EMA. I also have the standard MACD and RSI on the graph. going to keep it there. And what I'm looking for is something that I can take really quickly. I want to drop down to the 5-minute chart. Ooh. And actually I want to juggle between the 5-minute and the 1 day. So stuff in Asia is obviously going not that good. The trade wars that were going on before the coronavirus pandemic are definitely going to show their head again. And so I believe the US is going to be trying to suffocate China as much as possible. And I believe the European Union is going to be struggling for survival in between all these. Ooh, look at this, you guys. See, this kind of formation when we have the stock or the asset hovering around a line like this, and then the other line is kind of pushing it down to that level, this is usually an indication that we're going to break down. But this is a life hack you guys should always remember. We are trading indices. Indices go up. Like indices, they mostly go up. The Chinese index or the Asia Composite Index was, I guess, a bad example. This is an example of an index that does not always go up. But if looking at the other indices, you know, have a look at this. All indices, again, the commodities are sinking right now as well. But when trading an indice of a stock market of a G7 currency or of a G7 country, that's when you want to only look for buy trades. So this is what we're going to be looking for. I'm going to be looking for buy trades. The US indices, look at this. The US Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and S&P 500 are showing some bullish momentum. Now keep in mind that this is pre-market trading. This is not, the US markets are not open yet. Ooh. So I'm looking for a market that I can open up 15 $8 trades in the bullish direction. And so indices is the asset that we need. We can actually open up 11 up on the indices. Ooh, I like Dow Jones much more. Look at this, you guys. So I'm going to set the FTT. Here we go. Dow Jones. We also have the likes of the Russell, which has been, oof, showing some good momentum. So looking on the 5-minute graph, I want, what the ideal situation is to buy, guys, write this down, this is important, is I want the RSI, ooh, not RSI, CCI, excuse me. I want the CCI to be above 0, which it is. I want the MACD to be kind of, you know, tilted to the top. And the ideal situation is that we have the histogram right here, the blue area, be higher, you know, than it previously was. That again is the ideal situation. And we want price to kind of be off of a lower level and headed up higher. I believe the Russell 200 right now is a perfect candidate. It's not very volatile at this time, but we don't need it to be, right? We just need it to go up. So $8 trade, 1 minute. Let's start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, I like that these were kind of going up. Notice how each of these is higher than the previous one. It just shows that we're going to be heading up higher. So that is for the indices trades. Let's see if there's any other ones that we want to take. Again, $8 on a $44,000 account is not much to, like, I'm not overly concerned with if those trades go through. Like if they fall, I still should be good overall. But I also want to have a backup, right? A good trader always has a backup plan. And so I think I'm going to go with the S&P 500. This does look like a flag pattern for me, although the 1 minute graph is not a reliable graph at all. But the NASDAQ is much more bullish. Like, have a look at this. It's even above. Both of these lines are above. Yeah, so the S&P 500 is definitely more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, it's not very well diversified. This is not very well diversified. So some of our Russell trades went through positive. Look at this. Some of them went negative. So it's very good that we had this backup plan. And I do want to maybe drop down to the 1 minute just to root for it. Oh, look at that. The tail end. Oh, I just need, how much was it that we needed? Let's go ahead and have a look at it again. 3. So we need 3 trades to be positive in our direction. And another thing that I do want to notice that, guys, that was really poor is the 30% rate of return. Again, I'm trying to complete a quest and show you guys what that's like. I'm not trying to, okay, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, yes, 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 yes. We did it. We got those 4. So a big chunk of the hard quests are done. And remember, I'm in the Premier League. This is the top league. So you guys can imagine that the quests for the smaller leagues are much easier, much simpler. So here we have, I am completing some of the sword. I was so worried that I missed the sword quest yesterday. So in a nutshell, that's how you earn the quests. In a nutshell, that's how you finish the tasks. Remember, I promised you guys that as long as you do the bigger conditions, the smaller conditions are going to cover, and that's exactly what we had here. So in a fell swoop, we completed, how many was it? 4 quests. So that's fantastic. Let me see if I want to complete the other 90. So 68 trades I got to open in currencies. Let's go ahead and knock some of those out. 68, 5 currencies, 5 currencies, and 5 OTC. No problem. No problemo. So I think we'll do the currency quests as well right now. Perfect currencies, dollar CAD. I'm just going to go through the quick, through all the 80 rate of return ones and see if there's any. So looking for the same thing again. I want the CCI to be crossing over the 0 line in any direction, confirming a global trend. So obviously I should be looking at the daily graph instead of anything else. Excuse me. Ooh, this might be a good one. Both the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar currencies are looking very strong. Like they're coming down from being sold off. So it's a really good time to get in on these currencies. I also like this, guys, for the long term, for a trade that I'll open for a few days. One of the best signals you can get is the CCI coming back down from being oversold or overstretched. So right here, this area, the fact that we're coming back down over the minus 100 area is a good entry point. Great entry point. So, and the pound also. Pound is a historically strong currency, and after this correction, oof, I think it's going to be good. And we just came down. Like, best times to buy, guys? Obviously right here from the bottom. So when you find a currency that's so good, write it down. Like I keep advocating for a checklist. The best traders that do really well are the ones that keep a watch list. They keep a checklist for assets that should be watched. And so honestly, it's not a very hard job. It just requires a lot of discipline, a lot of homework. And so here, I'm doing the homework with you guys. So pound, I really like the pound. It's not overly strong, but it's not overly strong. It's very strong right now. Holy moly. So pound, I'm probably going to take a pound trade. And the weakest currency right now is the Japanese yen. Pound yen, open it. Let's open up the pound yen. So here we are, pound yen, amount $1. I don't want to be spending any more. I just need to open up 68 1-minute dollar trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to be testing the 6, 7, the limits 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So we only need 64 because the other 4 or 5 we're going to be opening up on the OTC platform. So these are going to be our $1 trades, and obviously you can see, boom, right away we are getting a lot of experience. I'm also leveling up my expert status, so there's a lot of benefit to doing these quests. And once these quests close, as you can see, they're slowly closing right now. Obviously it's going to be a lot of losses for me, or that's what it looks like. Oh, some profits. But this is only for show. I want to again repeat to you guys, I'm definitely going to be trading for a longer duration. Like a good trade for this one would be, a few hours, and it would have been nice to catch it at the start of the day. So my main goal, my main concern again, is to knock off those quests. So in total it cost me about $50, but I think $50 was my win from those S&P 500 trades. Where's the here we go. So if we just go down here, if I have a look at all the orders that were closed positive. So these are pound trades. That's strange that it doesn't show our CAD trades. Really strange. Anyways, we had those trades go through in our favor, the CAD trades, and I quickly tallied it up. It came up to around $60 in total wins, so it's not too bad if we lost $60 trying to earn the quest. So let's get on to some good fun stuff, you guys. I have a raffle that I need to run. I need to give you guys some prizes. So this is Angie's video, you guys, yesterday. To all of you guys that watched it and supported her, thank you. And also to those of you that left your account ID under the, so right here we have under the, we have 53 entries. 53 of you guys are going to be competing for this raffle, and we're going to have 7 winners. So Maher Aga, hey, congratulations to you, sir. If you're in chat, go ahead and write that you're happy to win this risk-free trade. I am going to copy your account ID right now and make you one of our lucky winners. All right, and our next contestant and our lucky winner is going to be Abdullah Ali. All right, congratulations, and thank you for your well wishes for our birthday. It is really good to have, a stable business. So Kalyan Charakavarathi, awesome. Congratulations to you, man. Good job. So that's 3. We have 3 winners already with us. Let's go ahead and pick our next lucky winner. Hey, it's my ID, so I won't be claiming any prizes. Abdullah Ali already had this comment. Let's go ahead and pick another one. So Aniruddha Gupta, congratulations. Our lucky winner number 4. Actually, yeah. Hey, Suryamakumar. Unfortunately you didn't leave your account ID. I would have been more than happy to give you your prize. Unfortunately, you forgot the main criteria to get the prize. Oh, so we have 4 lucky winners. One more, Kalyan Charik. Kalyan has been one of our winners. He was our previous winner. Let's go ahead and choose another one. Abdullah Ali, you are on top of things. So Prashant Tomar is our winner number 5. All right. Very generous with this give out. It's 7 years, so we're going to have 7 lucky winners. We already have our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one that did not leave. Deval Vyas. All right, congratulations to you, sir. That is our lucky winner number 6. And let's go. And our final winner, drumroll please, Youssef Pasha. Congratulations. Good job, my friend. So here we have our 7 lucky winners. I'm going to go ahead and forward that to our support department, and I want to congratulate to those of you guys that did win. Once again, have a look at the super video so that you guys can check out what exactly is the event and make sure to participate in the event itself. Also, the Olymp Trade blog is going to go through an overhaul, and we're going to put a lot of effort into creating great strategies there, great logical trees of support and of topics that traders need to invest time into learning in order to make such great results, as we see our friends that have been watching how trading is going and are actually doing really well. Now the last thing I want to leave you guys with is the so Rajesh Kumar, I'm so proud of you. Last thing that I want to touch upon with you guys is the demo tournament. This is for all of you guys that are still uncertain of how far you want to go in trading and you just want to dip your toes in the water. Well, guess what? You can have an opportunity to also compete, do quests, and earn more prizes, earn free stuff just by being a part of the demo tournament. Again, you don't need to invest anything. You can just go and trade on your demo account. So it's a very short one. You do need to watch out when it's going to start. So here we guys have starts in 22 hours. So what you guys need to do is get out your cell phones and say, okay, Google, and put a timer for 22 hours, right? You don't want to miss this event. Even if you have money on your account, you can still register and get, get as much stuff out of the company, out of the events, that as much as possible, because every time it's an anniversary, every time we have the birthday of the company, we are giving out stuff. Remember, like 2 years ago, we gave out motorcycles and Formula One Grand Prix tickets. Like it was crazy. Last year we had like I believe like a Ferrari or something, like a ridiculous sports car was given out, and also we had tons of iPhones mailed out. So something that you really want to participate in as much as you can, just because it improves your trading, it's fun, and there's lots to be gained. So those three reasons definitely are worth it. So thank you guys so much for participating. That's going to be it for today. You can save the video. It is going to be a recorded kind of webinar video. You definitely want to watch the part where I was trading and kind of the logic process again, so you can kind of copy and imitate and record it for yourself. Also, now you know how the inner mechanics work, and you can kind of manipulate the system to your favor so that you guys can get the most out of these events. All right, thank you so much for participating today. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko. It's been a pleasure to be here with you guys today. Go ahead and leave the video a like. Let me show you our social media pages so you guys can look at those and sign up to those as you have time. Our YouTube page is going to get again overhauled, and we're going to have a lot of new content, so you definitely want to be subscribed. Other than that, I wish you guys good luck today with the tournament. I wish you guys good luck in your trading careers, and I will see you guys next week for more awesome information and for some one-on-one conversations with you about trading. Thank you all so much, and see you all next time. Peace!